Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. The dialog tag in HTML is a relatively new addition that provides a way to create dialog boxes or modal windows directly in your web applications without relying on third-party libraries or complex JavaScript. It was introduced in HTML5, and while it may not have widespread support in all browsers yet, its simplicity and functionality make it a valuable tool for developers. What is the dialog tag? The dialog element represents a dialog box or other interactive component that requires user interaction. It can be used for modals, pop-up dialogs, alerts and confirmations, custom dialog boxes for forms. Key features. 1. Native accessibility. The dialog element comes with built-in accessibility features, making it easier to manage focus and keyboard navigation. 2. Simple API. The API for the dialog element is straightforward, with methods to show and close the dialog. 3. Styling. You can easily style the dialog box using CSS, making it fit the design of your application. Browser support. As of October 2023, the dialog tag is supported in most modern browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. However, it may not be supported in older versions of Internet Explorer. Basic usage. Here's a basic example of how to use the dialog tag. HTML. Doc type HTML. HTML lang equals n. Head. Meta charset equals UTF-8. Meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0. Title HTML dialog example / title. Style. / simple styling for the dialog */ dialog. Max width, 400 px. Padding, 20 px. Border, none. Border radius, 8 px. Box shadow, 0.4 px 8 px RGBA, 0, 0, 0, 0.2. /style. /head. Body. Button ID equals open dialog / button. Dialog ID equals my dialog. H2 dialog title / H2. P. This is an example of a dialog box in HTML / P. Button ID equals close dialog close / button. /dialog. Script. Const dialog equals document.get element by ID, my dialog. Const open dialog button equals document.get element by ID, open dialog. Const close dialog button equals document.get element by ID, close dialog. / open the dialog when the button is clicked. Open dialog button add event listener, click, equals. Dialog.show modal, / use show, for non-modal dialogs. / close the dialog when the close button is clicked. Close dialog button add event listener, click, equals. Dialog.close. / script. / body. / HTML. Explanation of the code. 1. HTML structure. A button with the ID open dialog is provided to trigger the dialog. A dialog element is defined with a title, some text, and a close button. 2. CSS. Basic styling is applied to the dialog for aesthetics. 3. JavaScript. Event listeners are added to handle the opening and closing of the dialog. The show modal method opens the dialog as a modal, blocking interaction with the rest of the page, while the show method opens it as a non-modal dialog. Conclusion. The dialog element is a powerful addition to HTML that allows for the creation of interactive modal dialogs with little effort. Its simplicity, combined with built-in accessibility features, makes it a game changer for web developers looking to enhance user experience on their websites. As browser support continues to improve, this element will likely become a standard part of web development practices.